Welcome back, Jefferson Army. We're here today to do another video. First, I want to say I'm JoJo.
I'm Legend.
And
Larry.
and we're the Jefferson Brothers. And yeah, we do dabs. Hold on, everybody, come in. Come get in this, Larry. 3, 2, 1. Larry can do the dab. 3. It's our first video, man. Hit it like you don't. All right, let's go. So, who wants to go ahead and tell them the challenge?
Oh, me.
Okay.
Okay. The challenge is whoever can't talk for 24 hours.
And if you lose, well, then you just lose. Yeah.
And you don't. Hold up.
I mean, yeah, right. If you lose, you lose.
And if you win, you get this basketball ring and this PlayStation right here, and you get free. And that's free game for you, boy.
Yo, I just like to give a shout out to Marcus and Lucas and the Dopey Brothers because they inspire us a lot. Hit it like you don't care. Hit it if you gonna put the song in right there, all right? All right, let's go. So, 3, 2, 1. Let's go.
What's up, y'all? I know what it is. Oh.
You're out.
Larry wins.
No. Now it's me and Larry.
I bet out there $100 JoJo's gonna lose. Oh, and one word, like and subscribe. We're gonna try to get 10,000 likes out there.
Don't worry, buddy. Your new pal David's already here. He can help you watch Jade. What? Wow, look at you guys all dressed up, places to go. Killer time, big champ. Oh, yeah.
Okay, so anyway, I know it's a full moon tonight, so that's
Ow.
Hi, guys.
Stop.
Legend, stop. Oh, oops.
I think you let you the best.
Let's get out of revenge.
That's my plan. That's my whole plan.
All right, that's gonna close out this video for today. Don't forget, I'm JoJo.
Legend. Stab for Larry.
Yo, like we said, like, comment, subscribe, and yeah, we post
Monday, Tuesday, and Thursday.
Saturday, Sunday, and Friday.
I want to be me again. Try not to hurt people. Rip them apart.
You know,
Crush
we
them.
might just winner might just
hold
get that Steph Curry.
Hold up, wait a minute. Let me show you my brother's poster. And guess what? What's I gonna say? We just got from a trip from Alabama, and it was lit. I wish I could post. I'm gonna try to post some the pictures that we saw, and we saw a big moss.
Post the video with me on the dirt bike. But
And he was riding a dirt bike and all that. And we saw the dog. It was lit. It's like a I don't know what it's called.
it's a Dalmatian mixed with a
Pit bull.
bulldog
Bulldog or pit bull, whatever one.
bulldog.
So this is gonna close up this video, and peace out.
Yo, words of wisdom. Family and love are the most important things in your life. We're just kids living a dream, and with family and love, it's what got us to this point. Thank you.
And this
Like, comment, subscribe.
Peace out. Good win, Larry. Good win, Larry. Yeah.
And I like to give a shout out to all my JoJo, Larry, and Legend fans.
And I go to Blue League and I'm in 3rd grade. And he got a birthday held back and stuff. And this dude right here.
Oh, that. Yo, and all we want to do is all right. Hey.
Thanks, Penny. You're awesome. That's all you guys. That's what make me want to. Did you see backwards?
All right, bye, Dobry. Bye, Jefferson.